Squeeze. To press something tightly to get liquid out. She squeezes the lemon to get juice. Twist. To turn something around by force. She twists the wet cloth to remove water. Spread. To cover a surface by moving something over it. He spreads butter on the bread. Squash. To flatten something by pressing it down hard. The shoe squashes the tomato on the ground. Squish. To press something soft so it becomes flat or messy. He squishes the burger with his hand. Stretch. To pull something to make it longer. She stretches the cloth with both hands. Coil. To wrap something into loops or rings. The rope is coiled neatly on the floor. Flex. To bend something without breaking it. He flexes the ruler to show it can bend. Warp. To change shape, usually because of heat or water. The vinyl record warps in the hot sun. Poke. A quick, light push with a finger or pointed object. She pokes the cake with a fork. Spill. When liquid falls accidentally. She spills milk on the table. Tear. To pull something apart into pieces. He tears the paper into 2 pieces. Drip. When liquid falls drop by drop. Water drips from the tap. Leak. When liquid or gas escapes through a hole. Oil leaks from the car.